Are you wrestling with hair loss? Does the sight of hair on your comb or pillow make your heart sink? You are not alone. Millions across the globe face the same challenge, and many have found a solution in hair transplantation. Imagine the delight of Jane, a 35-year-old professional from Hyderabad. She says, "I was skeptical at first, but after my hair transplantation, my confidence has skyrocketed. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror." Hair transplantation, in essence, is a surgical procedure where hair follicles are moved from one part of the body, typically the donor site, to the balding part of the body, known as the recipient site. It's a permanent solution to hair loss that has helped countless individuals regain their confidence and zest for life. Tom, a 45-year-old businessman from Hyderabad, shares his experience. "I used to avoid social gatherings due to my thinning hair, but after my hair transplantation, I feel like a new man. I can't thank the team enough for their exceptional service and care." Key points about hair transplantation include its high success rate, the natural-looking results it offers, and the minimal side effects involved. It's a procedure that's been refined over the years, ensuring safety and effectiveness. But remember, it's crucial to choose the right clinic for your procedure. A clinic with experienced surgeons, advanced technology, and a proven track record is what you should aim for. Consider the words of Mary, a 50-year-old teacher from Hyderabad. "I did extensive research before choosing my clinic. The professionalism and expertise they showed were beyond my expectations. My hair looks fantastic, and I feel fabulous." Hair transplantation can be a life-changing decision. It's not just about regaining lost hair, but also about restoring lost confidence and self-esteem. So, if you're tired of hair loss ruling your life, it might be time to consider this path. For more information, feel free to reach out on WhatsApp at 636-636-3333 or visit choose.clinic for more details. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Take yours today.